Okay? By the way, what if analysis is a type of analysis that allows you to plug in different numbers into formulas to see how the results change. Pananglitan. Ang tindahan na maligya og 3 products, A, B, and C, with the price respectively. Okay, price of A is 10, price of B is 15, and price of C is 20. And calculate the units sold per product and ang iyahang ginansya. Okay, ginansya per product. Ang ginansya sa product A kay 860. Ang product B kay 360. Ang product C kay 780. Now, pananglitan ang store manager, ganahan makahibalo on how many more products of A nga kinahanglan ibaligya para makakuha sa revenue nga or total revenue nga 2,000. Okay? Again, if the store owner or store manager wants to know on how many products to be sold for product A para makakuha og total revenue nga 2,000. So for that, we will be using the what if analysis. So we need to add the extension. Okay, go to extension menu. Then add-ons. Okay. Get add-ons. We have to look for the goal-seek add-on. Okay? So here, we will be using the goal-seek. So search for the goal-seek add-on. Type the goal-seek. Then press enter. Okay? The first one nga mo appear sa inyo ha kay kanino? Goal-seek for sheets. Okay, click on this one. Then install. Okay, in my case, it's already installed. Okay? Sige, click on goal-seek for sheets. Then install. Okay, in my case, since I've already installed the add-on nga goal-seek, mo appear siya ang uninstall. Okay? Okay? So please follow the steps on installing the goal-seek. Okay? Okay, once the goal-seek add-on is successfully installed, it will be added to your extensions add-on. Okay, now you can use the goal-seek manager. So click goal-seek, then open. Then naay goal-seek panel nga mogawas diri. Okay, on the settings, we can set the cell. Now, for setting the cell, we have to choose D5 kani. Okay, you can click on capture cell selected. Kani man ang atong kuhaon. Kani. So, dapat kaning D5 maoy ma-select. Then, what is our target? So, to value of 2,000. Yes, 2,000 since the store manager is asking on how many items to be sold for product A to get the total revenue of 2,000. So the two value is 2,000. And the changing cell would be the revenue for product A. So, dapat ka na mo i-capture. So, dapat D2. Sheet 1, D2. Okay? Again, set the cell to D5. The two value, which is our target, is 2,000. And the changing cell is D2. Sakto na. Okay, then let the goal seek add-on solve. Okay, now we have the changing cell at D2. Okay, the revenue for product A. Okay, so nigawas nga solve status, the start time and the end time. Okay, the solution has been found. So that is our status. Okay, the sheet name is sheet 1. Okay, the set cell is D5. To value is 2,000. By changing cell is D2. How many number of iterations? So there are 60 number of iterations to get the solution of 860. Okay, so si Google Sheet ang ni-solve that we need to have the 860 revenue of product A to get the total revenue of 2,000 for all of the products. Okay.